It is call day. That is an open parking garage. What is critical about the roof portion of an open parking garage? The roof, obviously there's lights up there, so vehicles are parking up there. Everything below that roof area is considered, Hunter, help me. Everything below the roof area is going to go to what drain?
The sanitary.
Excellent. And the roof is going to?
The storm drain?
Storm drainage. And since they're both separate, they're both going to separate devices called?
Gas, oil, and sand separators.
And that's excellent. If you all couldn't answer that like that, every piece of it, got to do some work.